How are the rights of minority language speakers protected in Slavic countries? Have you ever wondered how minority language speakers are treated in Slavic countries? It's a fascinating topic that reveals a lot about cultural identity and language rights. In Southeast Europe, the rights of these speakers are protected through various means. Let's break it down. First, many Slavic countries have constitutional provisions that recognize not just the official state language, but also the rights of minority languages. For example, Ukraine's constitution allows for the free development and use of minority languages alongside Ukrainian. This is a significant step in ensuring that minority communities can maintain their linguistic heritage. National legislation plays a key role too. Countries often have specific laws that grant minority languages certain rights. These rights can include the use of minority languages in education, courts, and public administration. Typically, this is applicable in areas where the minority population is significant, often around 10% of the local community. This means that if a minority group is large enough, their language can gain official status in that region. However, the specifics can vary widely from one country to another. For instance, in Ukraine, a law passed in 2012 allowed languages like Russian to be used in public institutions where Russian speakers were concentrated. This law, however, faced controversy and was later repealed, highlighting the ongoing tensions between promoting a unified state language and protecting minority rights. Practical protections are also essential. Minority language speakers often have the right to receive education in their languages. They can access public services and justice in their languages as well. This is vital for ensuring that they can fully participate in society without facing discrimination. The context in Southeast Europe is particularly interesting due to its diverse ethnic and linguistic makeup. Slavic languages coexist with various other language families and minority groups. This diversity influences language policies, which aim to balance national identity with respect for linguistic variety. International treaties, like the European Charter for Regional or Minority Languages, also play a role. This charter encourages countries to recognize and promote the use of minority languages. However, which languages qualify as minority or regional is determined by each national government. In summary, the rights of minority language speakers in Slavic countries are protected through a mix of constitutional guarantees, national laws, and international agreements. These measures help ensure that minority languages can thrive in education, public administration, and legal settings. However, the level of protection can differ based on the political climate and specific national policies.